Hello, and welcome to this episode of So You Miss Lab, where we make everything up. Today's lab is acid-base titration. In this lab, we will be determining the unknown concentration of commercial vinegar. We will use a measured quantity of a base with a known concentration. For today's experiment, we'll be going right to period 2. The molarity of the NaOH is 0.97 molar. In the 4 flasks, we've added different amounts of vinegar and 25 milliliters of tap water. In the VA column on the left of your data table, record the volumes. Flask 1 is 5.10 milliliters. Flask 2 is 6.30 milliliters. Flask 3 is 7.40 milliliters, and Flask 4 is 8.90 milliliters. Our next step is to add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein to the flask. Then, we'll add a stir bar to the flask and place it on the stir plate and turn it on. Read the initial volume of the NaOH in the burette to the 0.01 milliliter and record in your data tables. Remember to read the burette upside down. Slowly add the NaOH to the vinegar in the flask until a pale but permanent pink color is produced. Read the final volume of the NaOH to the 0.01 milliliter and record in your data tables. Subtract the 2 volume measurements to get the exact volume of the base added to the flask and record.
All right, guys, looks like we've made everything up. Now it's time to clean up.